dear students, welcome to Neha's Maths Academy. In the previous video, we have studied some examples on the counting principles. Let's study some more examples in this video. Our first example is, how many 6-letter words are there with repetition and how many with no repeated letters? In the first example, as the repetition of letters is allowed, for each of the place we have 26 choices. So by the multiplication principle, there are 26 into 26 into 26 into 26 into 26 into 26. 6 times is equal to 26 raised to 6 letter words with repetition. And if the repetition is not allowed, for the first place, we have 26 choices. For the second, there will be 25 choices, as the letter that we have used for the first place, we can't use for the second. And in the third place, we can't use the letter which we have used in the first two places. So there will be 24 choices for the third place, 23 for the fourth, 22 for the fifth, and 21 choices for the sixth place. So by the multiplication principle, there are 26 into 25 into 24 into 23 into 22 into 21 6-letter words without repetition. Next example. How many ways are there to pick a man and a woman who are not husband and wife from a group of unmarried couples? There is a group of unmarried couples, means n men and n women will be there. So there are n choices to choose a man from total n man and n minus 1 choices for women, because we don't want husband and wife together. So n choices for men, and we can't take a wife of that man. That's why there will be n minus 1 choices for the women. So by the multiplication principle, there are n into n minus 1 required ways. That means the number of ways to pick a man and a woman who are not husband and wife from a group of unmarried couples. There are n into n minus 1 ways. Next example, given 10 different English books, 6 different French books, and 4 different German books, how many ways are there to select one book? We have to select only one book, that is either a book of English or a book of French or a book of German. So as OR word comes, we will use the addition principle. So by using addition principle, there are 10 plus 6 plus 4, that is equal to 20 ways to select one book. Our second question is, how many ways are there to select 3 books, one of each language? That means we have to select one English book, one French book, and one German book. So and word is there, so we will use multiplication principle. So by using multiplication principle, there are 10 into 6 into 4, that is equal to 240 ways to select 3 books, one of each language. Now the third part. How many ways are there to make a row of 3 books in which exactly one language is missing? Means we have to make a row of 3 books such that exactly one language is missing. Means there will be 2 books of the same language and 1 book is of the another language. So there will be 3 cases. In that case 1, a row contains 2 English and 1 French or 1 German book. It can be like this. In the first diagram, in the first 2 places, there will be 2 English books, and in the third place, either French or German book. In the second diagram, English book is in the first and third place, and in the middle place, French or German book. And in the last diagram, 2 English books are in the second and third place, and in the first place, there are French or German book. Now, how many possibilities are there for arrangement of these books? In the first diagram, there are 10 ways to place first English book and then 9 ways to place second English book, as there are total 10 English books. And for French or German, there are 6 or 4 ways respectively. So by the multiplication and addition principle, there are 10 into 9 into 6 plus 4 ways for the first diagram. Similarly, for the second and third diagram, there are 10 into 9 into 6 plus 4 ways. So in total, there are 3 into 10 into 9 into 6 plus 4 ways to arrange 2 English and 1 French or 1 German book. Now case 2. A row contains 2 French and 1 English or 1 German book. So as we have done in the case 1, in the same way, we have to find possibilities here also. In the first diagram, there are 6 ways to place first French book and then 5 ways to place second French book. For English or German, there are 10 or 4 ways respectively. Here also use the multiplication and addition principle. There are 6 into 5 into 10 plus 4 ways. Similarly, for the second and third diagrams, there will be 6 into 5 into 10 plus 4 ways. So there are 3 into 6 into 5 into 10 plus 4 ways to arrange 2 French and 1 English or 1 German book. Now case 3. A row contains 2 German and 1 French or 1 English book. As we have done in the previous 2 cases, in the same way, this case has 3 into 4 into 3 into 10 plus 6 ways of arrangement. That means 4 ways for first German book, 3 ways for second German book, and for English or French, there will be 10 or 6 ways respectively. Now, by addition of all these 3 cases, we will get our desired answer, that is 3 multiplied by 10 into 9 into 6 plus 4 plus 6 into 5 into 10 plus 4 plus 4 into 3 into 10 plus 6 ways in which exactly 1 language book is missing. Next example. How many ways are there to pick 2 different cards from a standard 52 card deck such that the first card is an ace and the second card is not a queen? As there are 4 aces, first card can be picked in 4 ways. For the second card, one cannot pick a queen because in the question we have given second card is not a queen, and an ace which has been picked as the first card. We have already picked ace as the first card. So we can't pick that ace which we have chosen in the first place, and we cannot pick a queen. So remaining choices will be 52. 52 means total number of cards minus 4 aces minus 1 ace that we have picked for the first place. So it is 47 ways to pick the second card. By the multiplication principle, there are 4 into, that means 4 for the first place and 47 for the second place. 4 into 47 ways to pick 2 cards such that the first card is an ace and the second card is not a queen. B part. The first card is a spade and the second card is not a queen. There are 13 spade cards, including queen. Here will be 2 cases. Case 1, first card is the queen of spade. Means if first card is the queen of spade, to pick queen of spade, there is only 1 way and 48 ways to pick the second card. So by the multiplication principle, there are 1 into 48 ways. Now case 2. First card is not the queen of spade. As we don't want to pick a queen of spade, there are 12 ways to pick first spade card and 47 ways to pick second card. Why 47? Total 52 cards are there, minus 4 queens. So it is 48 minus the first card, which first spade card that we have chosen. So total 47 ways. So by the multiplication principle, there are 12 into 47 ways. And adding these two cases, our desired answer is 1 into 48 plus 12 into 47 ways to pick two cards such that first card is a spade and second card is not a queen.